Are you looking for an easy way to integrate EverWebinar with ActiveCampaign and automate your email marketing for webinars? Stick with me, because in this quick video, I'll walk you through how to use EverWebinar with ActiveCampaign, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set it up and make the most out of both tools for a seamless, automated experience. First off, if you want to try EverWebinar with ActiveCampaign for free, check out the first link below in the description. You'll get exclusive access to extended trial bonuses, so you can dive in and explore without any commitment. Now, let's jump into the setup. To start, you need to connect EverWebinar and ActiveCampaign, and the good news is it's straightforward. In EverWebinar, go to your Integrations section. From there, select ActiveCampaign and click on Connect. You'll need to enter your ActiveCampaign API key and URL, which you can find in your ActiveCampaign settings. Next thing, after connecting EverWebinar to ActiveCampaign, set up your tags. These tags are crucial for segmenting your audience. For example, when someone registers for your webinar, you'll want to tag them appropriately. This will help you target them with the right follow-up emails, whether they attended or missed your session. Now, let's talk about automating your email flows. Inside ActiveCampaign, create an automation that triggers when someone is tagged as registered for the webinar. This is where the magic happens. You can set up a series of reminder emails leading up to the webinar and even follow-up emails afterwards to engage your audience. The fourth thing is to add webinar attendance tracking. Once your webinar is over, EverWebinar sends that information to ActiveCampaign. With that, you can further segment your audience, those who attended, those who didn't, and even those who registered but didn't show up. This allows you to send personalized follow-up emails based on each person's specific behavior, maximizing your chances of turning leads into customers. Finally, let's cover the importance of personalization. You can use ActiveCampaign's dynamic content feature to personalize emails based on the user's actions or data. For example, you can send a thank you email with a special offer for attendees or provide a replay link for those who missed the webinar. This level of personalization builds trust and increases conversions. That's it. With these steps, you now know how to use EverWebinar with ActiveCampaign to automate your webinar marketing efforts and boost engagement. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial in the first link below. This will give you full access to both EverWebinar and ActiveCampaign, along with our special bonuses. If you're ready to take your webinars to the next level, this integration will make everything smoother, faster, and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the bonus in the description.